See the settings of the generator, both channels are on, and the only thing different between the two is 1.5 degree phase difference. So I'll move the camera now and show you. And as I change the phasing in a one increment change, you'll see I can move this two waveforms. You can see the start of the two trigger waveforms, the resultant waveforms in the coils. So I can move the event naturally, getting the two frequencies closer together. But if I go too far out, it seems to get away from that. And so the idea would be put that part of the signal, I retract that to that. It's not that, actually it is, we're talking 170 volts, not by this reading, but by the gradical on the scope. Make sure the channels are done. Channels are both 10 and 10. Okay. Oops. So we bring the event down even sooner, as you can see by the, oops, as you can see by the gradical there. Stabilizes there. Till it's only 0.3 of a degree with no, well, I'm getting 120 volts there. Oh, naturally, because they're in phase, of course. And if they're 100% in phase, they get the highest voltage, naturally. Let me switch the trigger here. There. The voltage height is not the same on the trigger scope, but on the bigger scope it is. Sorry it's so blurry. Oops. but it doesn't seem to produce that much of a change. If I'm totally in phase, I can get 160 volts. Oh, I can even go negative too if I want. You can see the ripples happen on down the line. So we do these. Oh, here we go. Yeah, so this peak to peak 100 volts. I'm trying to figure out the lead connection. This is the red one. Yeah, the red one is the straight iron wire, and the yellow one is the secondary. So the red trace is the primary, the yellow trace is the secondary. And this is true also. The yellow is first, even though here, I'm sorry, the yellow is first, even though it's marked track channel 2 over here. So that's the difference. At 0.1 degree, the red's firing at 0, and the yellow is firing 0.1 degree ahead of it, after it. And here I'm getting 150 volts. I don't know if it triggers it. Oh, shit. Well, that was messy. Anyway. Channel 2, channel 1. There we go. Oops. There. So yeah, the secondary is sitting at 150 volts. And that's the 1/100th of a degree timing spacing difference here. I'll put on the small scope down here too. We'll blow this up. There. It's the scope that gives it the jiggles. It says 103 nanoseconds. Yeah, so this is up in the 20 megahertz range. Yeah, because it was 516, 1.9. 15 to 20 megahertz speed difference. Anyway, that's all. As he takes a bow.